Hey guys, this is Shane. I gotta do this video fast. But basically today my grandma bought me these peeps for Easter. I don't even know, dude. You know, this is what they look like. You see this one? I think it's supposed to do the chicken dance. Try me. Where do I try? Let's watch. I wasn't dancing. What? See, look at this Derpy Bird. Derpy Bird. Come on, Derpy Bird. Derpy Bird. And this thing's really Derpy Bird. Okay, guys, but yeah, look at these Derpy birds. Derpy Bird. Yeah, you can see me in frame. So yeah, basically, guys, trying to get in the frame. Basically, guys, that's my Derpy Bird review. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Derpy Bird signing off. Derpy Bird review. I give this Derpy Bird, since it doesn't work. I give it 2 out of 5. Everyone. Get out of here. How do I zoom in? Oh crap. But you can see it right there. I think I broke it actually. Hope you all have a great Easter. Everyone, have a great Easter. Good night. All right.